Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will explain the immune mechanism focusing on NK cells and MHC class I molecules. To help you understand this complex system, we will use a simple analogy involving police officers and ID cards. First, let's establish the characters. Imagine the NK cell as a police officer. Its job is to patrol the body and ensure safety. The body cells are citizens. And finally, the MHC class I molecules act as the ID card. The rule in our body is very simple. Present your ID card. Every citizen must show their ID card to prove they belong there and are healthy. So what happens when a cell is healthy? Please look at the healthy cell on the right. It properly presents its ID cards, the MHC class I. The NK cell approaches and checks this ID using specific tools called inhibitory receptors, such as KIR or NKD2A. When the NK cell confirms this ID, it activates a brake signal. The message is ID verified, do not attack. Because the brake is on, the healthy cell remains safe. However, the situation changes with virus-infected cells or cancer cells. These abnormal cells often destroy or hide their own ID cards to escape from the other immune cells like T cells. But this trick backfires with NK cells. First, because the ID card is missing, the NK cell cannot verify it. This means the brake is off. Second, these six cells release stress signals. The NK cell detects these using activate receptors like NKD2D. These turn the accelerator on. With the brake off and the accelerator on, the result is an immediate attack. Let's summarize. This mechanism is famously known as the missing self theory. As you can see, if the ID is present, the cell is safe. If the ID is missing, the cell is attacked. NK cells are unique because they target what is not there. The absence of the self marker leads to elimination. This is how our body maintains order and health. Thank you for listening.